What's happening in West Asia right now feels like a dangerous new chapter. On one side, you have Israel already fighting in Gaza, and on the other side, you have Houthis in Yemen, an Iran backed rebel group that has been launching missiles and drones at Israel, and that too for weeks. And now, Israel has decided to hit back. Really hard. Their Prime Minister, Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu, himself called out with a fiery statement. From inside Israel's Air Force Command Center in Tel Aviv, he declared, let me quote what he said. Anyone who tries to attack us will pay a very heavy price. The world knows he was talking directly about the Houthis. He said that they are learning the hard way what Israel's strength really looks like. So, what exactly happened here? Let's talk deep. Israel carried out airstrikes deep inside Yemen's capital, Sana'a. Fighter jets struck near the presidential palace, hit an oil facility, and even knocked out power stations. Local media in Yemen said that at least 6 people were killed and more than 80 were injured. In fact, footages showed that there was a massive fireball turning the night sky orange and thick black smoke rising above the city. In the meantime, Israel's defense minister, Mr. Israel Katz, went even further. He boasted that Israel had destroyed the Houthi presidential palace. Though interestingly, independent reports from Yemen has not confirmed the claims yet. But what's clear is this. Israel wants the Houthis to know that every single missile that they fire will be answered with force, many times over. Now, here's where this is such a big deal. The Houthis are not just firing ordinary rockets anymore. Just days ago, Israel confirmed that the Houthis used a missile armed with a cluster bomb warhead, a weapon banned under international treaties because of its deadly consequences. So that means that the threat from Yemen is actually evolving. And wait, let's not forget here the bigger picture. The Houthis are backed by Iran. So, every time Israel hits Yemen, the risk of dragging Iran directly into this particular conflict goes higher and higher. This is not just Israel versus Houthi. It could easily spiral into Israel versus Iran, and that could shake the entire region. So, here's the bottom line. Mr. Netanyahu is warning the Houthis, stop your attacks or pay the price. But the Houthis don't look like they are going to back down. They are vowing more strikes on Israeli cities. Here's a question. How far will this tit for tat go before it explodes into much bigger conflict?